welcome to the Vlogging Pod. Over the past few years, a silent crisis has been unfolding across our nation. A crisis that began in the skies, descended into our farms, and is now knocking on our doors. I'm talking about the H5N1 avian influenza, commonly known as the bird flu. Initially, H5N1 was a concern primarily for poultry. But in March 2024, the virus made an unprecedented jump to dairy cows, marking the first time such a transmission has been documented in the United States. Since then, over 200 dairy herds have been affected. The virus didn't stop there. It has now infected humans, farm workers who had close contact with infected animals. As of late of 2024, there have been 46 confirmed human cases in the U.S., including individuals with no known exposure to poultry or cattle. Tragically, the first U.S. death from bird flu was reported in Louisiana earlier this year. Despite these alarming developments, our national response has been, at best, tepid. The CDC maintains that public health risk is low and continues to monitor the situation. The USDA has allocated funds for vaccine research and emergency relief. But is monitoring enough? Experts from institutions like Bayer College of Medicine are calling for immediate vaccination of cows, poultry, and their caretakers. They warn that the virus is adapting to infected mammals, increasing the risk of a new pandemic. Yet federal policies remain fragmented and communication is lacking. The virus has been detected in various animals, including cats, rodents, complicating control of the efforts. As someone deeply concerned about public health, I can't help but feel that we're repeating past mistakes. The signs are there: cross species transmission, human infections, and a virus that's evolving. We need a coordinated, proactive response, one that includes widespread vaccinations, robust surveillance, and clear communication. The time to act is now, before the silent spread becomes a deafening crisis. Today's sources for our podcast come from the CDC, HHS American Council of Science and Health, Wired, Huron Daily Tribune, Houston Chronicle, The Verge, Food Processing, CIDRAP, ARS Technica, the American Council of Science and Health, Farm Policy News, U.S. News, and the USA Today. Thank you for listening. Until next time, bye for now.